back for another video on Reviewing the Hustle World. And today we got an awesome watch face for you all to check out that's worthy of a download in the Gear Manager store, and it's free for the taking on top of it. Now make sure you download ASAP because I do not know how long this watch face is going to be free. Now the watch face is going to be geared toward the runner in you, toward exercising, but it's also for the person who enjoys a nice digital watch face. All right, with that being said, let's check out this watch face. Now, the name of it is called AI Watch Fitness. In AOD mode, you are going to get your digital time. You are going to get some of your info at a glance with no problem. And when the watch face is on, I do like this look. I like the layout of the information, and I like the fact that everything is very bold and legible. Now, if you look up at the top, you will get the name of the watch. You're also going to get your date. You come down, you will get in big bold numbers your digital time. Now you come down a little bit more, you will get the days of the week, and up under that in big bold numbers you will get your step info, and it is interactive as well. So if I tap right here, I can go into seeing my calories burned, floors climbed, minutes ran or walked, water intake, coffee intake. Everything that has to deal with my step information is right at my fingertips. Also over here, that's going to be your goal completed. As you can see, I almost reached my 20,000, and right up under it, you will get your battery info, heart rate info, and your floors climb. You also get a nice moon phase as well, and the developer's logo down at the bottom. But if I double tap, right here, I can change the color of the ring that's going around the bezel of the watch, which I thought was pretty nice. What do you think, people? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Happy Hump Day.